when you click on AI, you've got some, lots of really cool things that you can add in. So you can generate quizzes with AI, videos, images, all sorts of things. That was the AI tutor. So this is automatically put into the course, but you can edit all of this. So the tutor will actually talk back and forth with the learner, and they're trained on the entire course as well. So, I can ask a question to my AI tutor, and it will sort of answer me based on the course content. And you can configure that to say, answer whether it's just trained on the course content or if it's allowed to answer outside of that. So this is all in the bottom content bar for you. So just remember, when you want to edit the course, you've got this bar down the bottom that you can really add more content with to the course. And it's not just with AI. You've got text components. A lot of people want to upload a video that they may have already made. So you just go to multimedia videos and then upload that video here, or put in the YouTube link to embed it. And we also have an AI video generator. I'll show you soon some really cool updates that we're working on to this, where you'll be able to generate slides-based videos. But at the moment, we've got some avatars in here that you can choose from. You can even create your own avatar if you upload the photo. And you can, essentially edit the script and all this sort of stuff that's appearing in the background here as well. There's lots of other things that we can add in here. Generate assignments with AI. All these sort of text components, I might just go through some of the things that we've added recently. So these are like the grid cards that you'll see there. So you've got images or icons that you can have and text that you can edit. You can also do this in basically rows instead. The quotes I showed, the banner, you can add those manually and edit all the content. You can have numbered lists. So if you've got sort of like a step-by-step process. Content block is a really awesome one as well. So you can actually put an image on the left and text on the right, or flip it over. So we could upload an image here and then have text on the right. So here's an example of a hotspot in my LinkedIn course. So we've got like my social media profile on LinkedIn, and using the hotspot feature, we've added these hotspots and then the text to basically give the learner a guide as they click through each of the spots. And they can also click on these little arrows here to just go through step by step, and they will tick off as the learner goes through it. So it's quite a cool, like, visual interactive element to add to your courses. We had like actually quite a lot of requests for this one. It's quite common in particularly higher end learning designers who are building courses. So if you've got something visual and you want to make it quite interactive, definitely recommend using that one. I went through the grid cards and the carousel. They can, just like Instagram, they can flick through. The flip cards, as I showed you, that's a bit of a favorite. This just was for a kid's course. That's why it's so colorful.